What makes olive oil a nutritional powerhouse? It's a rich source of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats are linked to improved heart health and reduced risk of chronic diseases. Olive oil also boasts an array of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that protect our cells against damage. Vitamins E and K further contribute to its nutritional prowess. But the benefits don't stop there. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, a natural anti-inflammatory agent. This compound mimics the effects of ibuprofen, offering potential relief from pain and inflammation. Imagine that, a natural remedy hidden within this golden liquid. No wonder cultures with high olive oil consumption boast impressive health statistics. Let's delve deeper into olive oil's remarkable impact on heart health. This golden elixir, a staple of the Mediterranean diet, is more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your well-being. Studies show that replacing saturated and trans fats with olive oil can significantly lower bad cholesterol levels, LDL. This simple switch in your cooking habits can have profound effects on your cardiovascular health. This in turn reduces the risk of plaque buildup in arteries, a major contributor to heart disease. Imagine your arteries staying clear and healthy, allowing blood to flow freely and reducing the strain on your heart. Olive oil also helps improve good cholesterol, HDL, which acts as a scavenger, removing harmful cholesterol from the bloodstream. This dual action of lowering bad cholesterol and boosting good cholesterol creates a balanced and heart-friendly lipid profile. But it's not just about cholesterol. Olive oil's benefits extend beyond that. Olive oil helps regulate blood pressure, another crucial factor in maintaining a healthy heart. Consuming it regularly can lead to more stable blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension and its associated complications. Its anti-inflammatory properties further protect against arterial damage, promoting optimal blood flow. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy of heart health, and olive oil's natural compounds help combat this, ensuring your arteries remain flexible and resilient. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is a delicious and effective way to nourish your heart from the inside out. Whether drizzled over salads, used in cooking, or as a dip for bread, this versatile oil is a heart-healthy choice that adds flavor and health benefits to every meal. Inflammation is a natural process, our body's way of protecting itself from injury and infection. However, chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on our health, contributing to conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Here's where olive oil steps in as a potent ally. Remember oleocanthal, that ibuprofen-like compound? It works wonders in combating inflammation throughout the body. Studies suggest olive oil consumption may help reduce joint pain in individuals with rheumatoid arthritis. Its anti-inflammatory effects extend to other areas as well, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Beyond the kitchen olive oil for skin and hair, olive oil is not just a staple in the kitchen, it has a multitude of uses that extend into the realm of beauty and personal care. Olive oil's benefits extend far beyond the culinary realm. It has been a secret weapon in beauty routines for ages, cherished for its versatility and effectiveness. For centuries, it's been a cherished ingredient in traditional beauty practices. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, revered olive oil for its ability to enhance beauty and health. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, olive oil nourishes and protects the skin. It penetrates deeply, providing essential nutrients that help maintain skin's elasticity and smoothness. Its moisturizing properties leave your skin feeling soft and supple, while antioxidants combat free radical damage, promoting a youthful glow. Regular use can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And don't forget your hair. Olive oil is not just for the skin, it works wonders for your hair as well. Olive oil makes a wonderful natural conditioner, taming frizz and adding shine. It helps to lock in moisture, making your hair more manageable and less prone to breakage. It can also help soothe a dry, itchy scalp. The nourishing properties of olive oil can alleviate dandruff and promote a healthier scalp environment. Simply massage a small amount into your hair and scalp, leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse thoroughly. For deeper conditioning, you can leave it on for longer or even overnight. Your hair will thank you for the natural nourishment. With regular use, you'll notice your hair becoming shinier, stronger, and more resilient. Olive oil truly is a versatile and invaluable addition to your beauty regimen. Selecting your elixir, a guide to olive oil grades. Walking down the olive oil aisle can feel overwhelming with so many options available. Understanding the different grades can help you make an informed choice. Extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality, extracted from the first pressing of the olives. It boasts the most robust flavor and aroma, along with the highest antioxidant content. Virgin olive oil, while still a good choice, undergoes a second pressing and may have a slightly milder flavor. Refined olive oil is extracted using heat and chemicals, which can diminish its flavor and nutritional value. It's best to stick with extra virgin or virgin olive oil for optimal health benefits. Incorporating olive oil daily. Now that you know the wonders of olive oil, let's explore delicious ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Drizzle it generously over salads, roasted vegetables, and grilled meats for a burst of flavor. Use it to sauté your favorite ingredients, adding a touch of heart-healthy goodness to your meals. Don't be afraid to experiment. Olive oil shines in dips, sauces, and marinades. Add a splash to your morning smoothie for a creamy texture and an antioxidant boost. Get creative and discover your own favorite ways to enjoy this culinary elixir. Mediterranean Magic, a culinary journey with olive oil. Speaking of culinary adventures, let's take a trip to the Mediterranean, where olive oil reigns supreme. The Mediterranean diet, renowned for its health benefits, places olive oil at the heart of its culinary traditions. Imagine vibrant salads with fresh vegetables, feta cheese, and a generous drizzle of olive oil. Picture grilled fish seasoned with herbs and a touch of lemon, drizzled with olive oil for a final flourish. Envision crusty bread dipped in olive oil infused with aromatic herbs. The Mediterranean diet exemplifies how olive oil elevates simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. Olive oil myths debunked, separating fact from fiction. There are a few misconceptions surrounding olive oil that need to be addressed. Some believe that olive oil shouldn't be used for cooking at high heats. While it's true that olive oil has a lower smoke point than some other oils, it's perfectly suitable for most cooking methods. Just avoid overheating it. Another myth suggests that all olive oils are created equal. As we learned earlier, olive oil grades matter. Opt for extra virgin or virgin olive oil for the best flavor and nutritional value. Don't be afraid to experiment with different brands and varieties to find your personal favorites. Embrace the liquid gold, a legacy of health and flavor. In conclusion, olive oil, this liquid gold, is more than just a cooking fat. It's a culinary treasure trove of flavor and health benefits, passed down through generations. From its heart-healthy fats and potent antioxidants to its anti-inflammatory properties and beauty benefits, olive oil truly is a gift of nature. So embrace the legacy of olive oil, drizzle it, savor it, and experience the transformative power of this culinary elixir. Let olive oil become a staple in your kitchen, enhancing your meals and nourishing your body from the inside out. Cheers to a healthier, more flavorful life.